Hi there, I'm Shahi and welcome to Shahi's Easy English. How are you? I hope you're well. What's that? How am I? I'm okay, but I'm feeling a little bit under the weather. What does that mean? Does it mean the sun or the rain or the snow is on top of me? No, it's not. It means I'm not feeling very well, or it means I may get ill. Okay? So it's an idiom, as you may already know. So let's look at the example. So if somebody says, "Hey, how are you? How's it going?" And you say, "Well, I'm alright, but I'm feeling a bit under the weather." "Hey, how are you?" "I'm alright, but I'm feeling a bit under the weather. That's why I'm doing the video indoors." Indoors means inside. Outdoors means outside. Okay, so the next example is, "Hey, how are you doing?" Or, "Are you alright?" "Oh, not so good." "Hey, what's wrong?" "I'm feeling a bit under the weather. I think I'm coming down with the flu." Not with a flu, no, with the flu. Okay, so put your examples below. I would love to see more examples. And thank you for everybody who's been commenting. I love reading comments. And if you put your examples below, I will correct them because that's what I do. And also, I want to say thank you for watching and take care. And I hope you're not feeling under the weather. And the opposite of under the weather is not above the weather. Keep watching and stay tuned for more lovely videos. Take care and bye for now.